Hello there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the stock and option market volatility report reminder. This is for education purposes only, should be considered best advice. Options have risk. So, what do we got going on here? Well, they don't like Apple very much. Let's start there. Apple is getting torched. It is down 13 and a half bucks, probably overdone. You got to wonder whether, is this the floor? How much of this was already priced in? We're actually not that far below where we were on the 24th. That's how bad that final week was. We made a little bit of recovery, but that's just ouch. Meanwhile, the Qs are down 2%, mostly on Apple, but you can see some softness kind of across the board. They tend to all correlate, right? You've got Apple down, AMD, Amazon. Facebook had a great day yesterday. It's down a little bit today. So all the major names are selling off. What I find interesting is that we're down huge right now, down 38 bucks, 2% in the NDX, 400 points in the Dow. We're getting almost no lift out of VIX. It's still pricing itself 25. There's no panic in this market anywhere. So some people are still, there's a lot of money. This tells me there's a lot of money in cash. A lot of money in cash. It also tells me that this may be a one-off day. So, the trend, let's pull up a chart here. Chart of SPY. TY. I want to look at the last month. Rid of the Fibonacci's as well. And what I want to point out is that is that the last 5 days, convert to that, things have generally been up. Today is just a little one-offy. I'm not calling a bottom here, but I'm just continue to be shocked by the total lack of interest in hedging activity. We had a nice little recovery here. One big up candle, and then really just a kind of a mild recovery. We're in a kind of a bearish market, but there's no volatility to it, which tells me that there's a lot of money in cash, which also tells me that if we do have a turnaround, it could be faster than I think people are realizing. So I think you're going to have to brace for some dollars hitting in hard. Today, keep an eye on oil. That's been up and down and is now flat. It's been a good litmus for the market. WM is still an unmitigated disaster. And that is something to actually keep an eye on. And watch those VIX futures. IWM has had a little bit of a recovery, but worse than the S&P. There's really not a lot that theoretically we should like in this marketplace. But I would point out that really technology is murdering us, followed by some industrial. But I have to wonder how low we're actually going to go today. I don't feel like there's a underlying bid here, for volatility. So we could be down 50 and VIX might not make 26. So I think that we've maybe have seen a volatility top if we haven't found a new floor in the S&P yet. I still like stocks into the end of the year. They may be one-off-ish. I'm going to be looking at opportunities in Apple and in a lot of the tech names. See if I can find anything interesting. All right, folks, you got questions? You can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me, 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.